What is it? What is he doing there? Cutting his cock off.
Right there, it was like jerking off.
Jesus, man, what is... Oh, man, what is wrong with these people, dude? Ain't no... That's got to be fake, dude. Somebody needs to hug that dude, man. What is wrong with him, man?
For real. The show.
He was really doing that.
Yes. Yeah.
Man, my hands are like sweating, dude. Look at that. Look at that.
The show.